Hello students, now let's see a poem. The name of the poem is Mystery of the Talking Fan. Okay, this poem is written by Mute Rubin. Now here our poet is selecting very common matter for the poem and nicely explain in a short poem. Now let's see and read the poem. Is there a ceiling fan in the room where you are sitting now? Is the fan quiet or noisy? If it is noisy, you may be sure it is a distant relative of the talking fan in the poem which you are going to read. So આપણી ઘરની અંદર જે fan હોય, so mostly they are noisy, and if it is a noisy at the time, it is connected with this poem. Now let's read the poem. Once there was a talking fan, electrical his chatter. I couldn't quite hear what he said, and I hope it doesn't matter, because one day somebody oiled his little wheeler motor and all the mystery was spoiled. He ran as still as water. So here he explained about a talking fan. So a fan which was making a noise. Okay, so this fan is called here a talking fan. So talking fan is a noisy fan which are making a noise while movement. Okay, so once there was a talking fan, electrical his chatter. So when it moved, it's chatted, means it talked. I couldn't quite hear what he said. So our poet is trying to hear or trying to know what he wants to talk, and I hope it doesn't matter. So એનાથી કોઈ ફરક પણ નથી પડવાનો. Why? Because one day somebody oiled his little wheeler motor. So the talking fan was continuously talking, but our poet try to understand what it wants to say, but he does not understand about it. Okay, and it doesn't matter for our poet because he know that one day someone oiled it. અને કારણ કે કોઈક દિવસ કોઈક પર્સન એને ઓઇલ કરી લેશે એનું જે લિટલ whirling મોટર છે. ઓકે, because of that it was making a noise, and એ જે મોટર છે એને કોઈક ઓઇલ કરી દેશે, so it stopped noisy, and all the mystery was spoiled because at that time, because after oiling the motor, the fan stopped talking or fan stopped sounding. He ran as still as water. So after oiling, he become quiet, and it was like a water which was flowing very silently. Okay, so this short poem is written by Mute Rubin very nicely. Hope you like the poem. Take care students. Stay home, stay safe.